So that right there is disgusting. It's supposed to be kind of clearish, but it's brown. So I'm gonna change that out. Because I'm by myself, working with these brakes, doing a blade bleed, I have a one-person bleeder, magnetic, got the hose, and then I have a 10 millimeter. So you got the nipple, attach the 10. Remember, lefty loosey. So left is that way on the passenger right. So to do this, you have to do passenger furthest from the reservoir. So passenger right, driver left, front right, front left, away from the reservoir, furthest away. So once I attach this, then I release this, then I go and stop. Because it's a tight seal, now I can just release this. And then I'm gonna go inside and stomp on the brakes. Okay, that's released. I don't know if any air came out, but that's a valve for air escape, so let's go inside and stomp. There's other methods to doing this, but this is how I like to do it. Okay. You can hear the... Okay. As you can see, fluid went in, so I'm just gonna keep pushing the brakes. You see this line? All that air. This is a lot of air. Holy crap. That is a lot of air. Let's try this again. But do you see how dirty that is? I mean, there's a lot of air in there too, so that's bad. Oh, and it's traveling. You see it? I do not know how I got this air in the system, but I do. There's a lot of air. Some more air right here. When you do this, you gotta be wary of, cautious of the minimum line right there. Don't let it run dry, otherwise you're gonna need to bleed the brakes again. But damn. All right, time to add. Today I'm working with Multool 600, Multool 600, RBF 600. It's because, you know, racetrack stuff, race car stuff. But you want at least exposure to the air as possible. So once you open this, you gotta like start. Open up, and let's go. All right, let it go through the filter. Yeah, you can see it adding. So what's gonna happen is that once we keep pushing on the brakes, eventually the back right is gonna have clear fluid, and that's when we know that it is it's good to go on that side, and then we switch to the next line. But you see the color difference? Oh yeah. Cap that. And cap that. Alright, let's go. So the first time around, I did about 10 pushes, but it's really hard. Really hard. So, yeah, 10. I do it at 10 at a time, so. This line is usually, when you do this, most of the air is going to come out of the back right. It's just how it is. Look at all that air. Air travels up, so. Oh, wow. Now, if you don't have one of these, you can always take a bottle and then just cut a hole in top, put a tube in, but submerge it in fluid, and same thing. You just don't want fluid to go backwards. Damn, that's a lot of air. Too much air. Gotta re-add every time. I think the back right might actually take a whole 500 milliliter. We're supposed to get most of the stuff in the reservoir out anyways. Ran out of space, so I'm gonna pour the old stuff into the old bottle. So typically, like I said, the front The back right, the back passenger should be 500 milliliters. So let's see how this works out. Gotta make space. Look how dirty it is. Damn. It's much clearer than before, so yeah, this could be it. But apparently there's no fluid in lines, so this might actually be good. This might actually honestly be good. The other one's really dark, but this looks about right. Easy way to compare is we shut this off and we bring this with us and see what color comes out of the bottle when I pour motor oil in. So, I mean, so far it's looking good. Alright, here we go. Let's see if it's the same color. Nope. I mean, for the most part, it kind of is. If we're comparing colors, I mean, that's pretty much it right there. I mean, that's pretty much it right there. So we're comparing colors. So now that we did the back right, we do the back left because we have to do it furthest away from the reservoir. So we got that. So this one, righty tighty. So right is tight, left is loose. Not as much air from this side. Not as much air because all the air came out from the right side, back right, but it is pretty dirty. Once you release some of this fluid, you gotta add more fluid every time. Do not want it to go to the minimum line. Almost there, almost done. I'm doing 5 brake pushes every time. I mean, so far all the air is out. That's also what's most important. All right, same thing. Just gonna take this off. Pinch it. Grab the bottle and pour this stuff out because I'm just gonna pour it out because I need more bottles. Unfortunately, I have 2, but the thing is, all you need is 1,000 milliliters. So. I don't see any air, which is great. Okay, time to close it off. Righty tighty, close it off. Bleeder valve, cover it. Nice. Back left done. Pretty sure the fluid is the same color, so this is good news. Yeah, looks about the same to me. Okay, pretty sure all the fluid is kind of clear, so let's just stop it and check it. I mean, everything looks good so far. I don't see any air in the system. If there was air, it was in the back right, so. Nice. Three pumps. Sorry, probably just 2 pumps, just to see where it's at. I know it's pretty good though. Yep, that's acceptable brown. Okay, I can close this off now because This right here, this color of brake fluid coming out is good. There's no air that I can see. All right, let's continue. Actually, that's pretty good. Yeah, the fluid coming out is the same as the. Yeah, we're good. Top off the reservoir, and we're good to go. Notice how the difference color. It is a lot more light brown. A lot better. All right, let's see how much more reactive these brakes are. The pedal feels pretty damn good. Yep. Pedal response. The brake pedal response. Yeah, it's a lot more firm. The discoloration is a good way of finding out whether it's bad or good. So, but anyways, guys, that's me for today's video. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment, and I'll answer the questions. Please like, comment, subscribe on the video, and hey, I'll see you next video. Peace.